In manufacturing and supply chains, transformation is not an option. It's a necessity to stay competitive. In this year's 3D Experience conference, we will together focus on how operations engineering can be a playground to imagine most sustainable processes, how operations optimization enables us to build robust yet efficient supply networks, and how operation management brings visibility, synchronization and control into manufacturing execution. And finally, we'll see how data science can be applied throughout the entire process to reveal valuable insights for decision-making and actionable improvements. I would be glad if you can follow our brand tagline, Make It Happen, and you make it happen to visit us at the 3D Experience conference in Munich.